Hey guys, welcome back to Wolfchase Honda. Glad you guys could make it today. Real quick, I want to teach you guys how to connect up using Apple CarPlay or Androidauto in sync with your Bluetooth. So right now, I've already got myself connected up via Bluetooth. Take your factory USB cord. For my Android users, take your USB charger cord, okay? You want to make sure it's a factory one, otherwise it could fail out, okay? For some reason, aftermarket cords don't do as well as the factory cords do. Take your USB cord, okay? Down here, underneath the dashboard, there's this little flap. It has a cell phone icon by it, okay? This means it's Apple CarPlay Androidauto compatible. Flip this up, stick your USB cord in there. Then you want to plug it into the bottom of your phone. Okay, this is going to charge your phone at the exact same time, okay? So the center screen here, I want to enable Apple CarPlay or Androidauto, just like that. Okay, now, so what this does, Apple CarPlay Androidauto is going to override your Bluetooth, okay? So now you're able to access either one of these, okay, and go in and see your maps, your messages, your music, all your different pages and all your different stuff, okay? So what happens if I disconnect from here? And it's defaulted back to Bluetooth, okay? So if I unplug from Apple CarPlay or Androidauto, it simply defaults back to Bluetooth. So you always have the ability to be hands-free, okay? Again, just a simple plug in. It's gonna override the Bluetooth. You'll have access to your Androidauto, or in my case, Apple CarPlay. Now I have access to everything on my cell phone. All right, you guys, so that is how you connect up and use Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay or Androidauto together, and what that all means within the system and how it all works together. If you guys have any questions, please leave those in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, drop me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.